I don't know what I'm saying. Halfway through the test, I'm at a 63% right now and not seeing the questions. So if you don't think I can get you where you need to be, you have some more thinking to do. All right, natural selection is what we're looking at here. The number of light-colored beetles in the population will increase. There will be more dark-colored beetles than light-colored beetles. The number of light-colored beetles will decrease. The dark-colored beetles will move to a different type of tree. I'll tell you right now, I'm going to pick F for no other reason than it uses the word population, which is huge for natural selection. I do think that some of the other ones are written okay, but this one says that there's going to be more dark-colored and less light-colored, and this one says the light-colored will decrease. So in my brain, what I'm thinking is these two are kind of the same answer. I could be wrong, but that's my guess. Number 29, I think we already did a monohybrid cross, if I remember right. But I'm not going to go back and look. I'm just going to go with A here, because that's typically the dihybrid they ask. But that's a guess without knowing what's going on. More tassels than silks need to be present on the same plant. Pollen grains must fall from tassels and land on silks of the ear. Pollen must be transported from the tassel to the silk through the phloem. Phloem is for food, remember. That can't be the answer. So whenever they explain something that the definition is wrong, it is not the answer. Tassels must come in direct contact with the silks of the ear. We just went over this, and I'm going to guess that pollen has to fall, because the tassels are on the top of the corn. So that's my guess. That's a pretty good guess, I think. 31, being able to escape from predators, being among the strongest organisms in the population, be able to survive, find a mate, produce offspring. Survive and reproduce. Hope you get this question on the test, because that's a guaranteed correct answer. The event represents RNA translation in smooth. No, translation is on the ribosome. The event takes place in bacterial cells. The event produces genetically identical daughter cells. The event provides genetic diversity in eukaryote. I'm going to go with the genetic diversity. My guess is they're talking about crossing over right here. So I could be wrong, but when in doubt, choose genetic diversity. If they're talking about mitosis, this would be the answer. If they're talking about binary fission, this would be the answer. This looks like it wants you to be able to put things in order, and so the order is cetus. So you should have a cell, a tissue, an organ, and a system. So if you look, here's